Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to unhide all on Excel step by step. Unhide all in Excel can mean three different things: hidden rows, hidden columns, or hidden sheets. So I'll walk you through the fix for each one. The fastest way to unhide all rows is with a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl A to select the entire sheet, then press Ctrl-Shift+9. All your hidden rows will appear instantly. You'll see the row numbers that were missing fill in consecutively. If your rows jumped from 5 to 10 before, you'll now see 6, 7, 8, 9 all there. For columns, the keyboard shortcut can be unreliable. So here's the method that works every time. Click the triangle button in the top left corner where the row and column headers meet. That's the Select All button. Now right-click anywhere on the column headers at the top and choose Unhide. All your missing columns will reappear in alphabetical order. If columns were jumping from B to E, you'll now see C and D. You can do the same thing for rows by right-clicking the row numbers on the left and choosing Unhide. If you need to unhide sheets, those are the tabs at the bottom of your Excel window, right-click any sheet tab and select Unhide. If you're on Microsoft 365, you can hold Control and click multiple sheets in the dialog box to unhide them all at once. If you're on an older version, you'll need to unhide them one at a time, or use the VBA method I'll cover in a moment. Still not seeing your rows? Check if filters are hiding them. Row numbers turn blue when there's a filter active. Go to the Data tab and click Clear to turn off the filter. All your rows will come back. If the Unhide options are grayed out and won't click, the sheet is protected. Go to the Review tab, click Unprotect Sheet, enter the password if prompted, then try unhiding again. The options will now be clickable. If you're on an older Excel and need to unhide multiple sheets fast, press Alt F11 to open the VBA editor. Click Insert, then Module, paste the code from the description, and press F5 to run it. All hidden sheets will appear instantly. That's all you need to know to unhide rows, columns, and sheets in Excel.